Let's talk manifestos. Let's talk solutions.
The Build Zimbabwe Alliance Manifesto is clear when it comes to the rights and the protection of the girl child. A BZA government will strengthen the legal protections for the girl child against exploitation. BZA will also seek to increase the sentences for those found violating their constitutional rights. It is an unfortunate reality that many households in Zimbabwe are stricken by poverty and fall prey to early childhood marriages. It is estimated that 1 in 3 girls are married before their 18th birthday in Zimbabwe. The Constitution of Zimbabwe emphasizes that no person may be compelled to enter into marriage against their will. BZA will seek to ensure that the girl child is guaranteed her constitutional rights and is afforded the bright future she deserves.